Enterprises have large teams, deep tech stacks, and big budgets. The rest run on all-in-one solutions for key business functions like HR, finance, sales, and marketing. But what about cybersecurity? Meet Defendify, the first-in-kind, award-winning all-in-one cybersecurity solution. Cyber attackers today leave no stone unturned. They target every kind of organization, regardless of size, industry, or location. Cybersecurity requirements just keep piling up, making cybersecurity important not just for you, but everyone you work with. Cybersecurity is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for every organization. But it's complicated, expensive, and designed with the enterprise in mind, forcing you to piece together single-point solutions that are difficult to manage and budget for, often leaving you overwhelmed and underprotected. Defendify powers your cybersecurity, allowing you to detect and defend against vulnerabilities, attacks, and exploits. Train everyone on your team to be a cyber defender. Establish ongoing cybersecurity operations, monitoring, and action planning. Faster, smarter, stronger. One simple cybersecurity subscription. One award-winning cybersecurity solution. Automated, ongoing, flexible, scalable, and supported. See how Defendify helps reduce risk and realize robust cybersecurity for thousands of organizations worldwide.